So hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosemarie. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to wash in your deep fryer nicely, okay? So I just made part one of the video and I never wanted to make the video so long. So this is part two of the video, but I'm going to put a link in the comment section below of this video for part one, okay? So I just changed the oil in my deep fryer and I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean. You see, this is black, but you can still see some stuff in this deep fryer. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to get all of this stuff off, okay? So if you want to see some of the dirt I got from the deep fryer, this is it right here. But it was not that dirty here because I cleaned it like maybe one week ago. Yeah, last week I cleaned it. So yeah, so this is some of the dirt I got from other A right here. Can you see that here? So unfortunately I was not able to get all of the dirt from in this deep fryer. Yeah, so I don't want to waste all of my time. Yeah. So I don't want to waste all of my time. You know, it's gonna take a lot of time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in a sink and put some hot water into this and put some soap. Yeah, you can put some baking powder, you can put baking soda, you can put soap, just whatever you use to clean your dishes. It's okay to use. As for me, I'm gonna be using this right here. This is a dish spray, basic dish spray. So I'm gonna be using a dish spray right in here with some hot water, okay? So after putting the hot water in here, I'm gonna cover it and let it set for maybe 5 to 10 minutes and I'll be back to clean it up. You guys gonna see the result. The result gonna, it's gonna blow your mind. It's gonna be so amazing. So this is I'm putting the soap in here, right? Make sure you put a lot of soap in here, okay? You know, when you're dealing with oil, soap help you to get rid of oil or grease, okay? Okay. So guys, after putting the soap, this is how it look like, guys. Can you see this? Yeah, so this is how the soap look like. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to put some hot water in here. After putting hot water, I'm going to cover this and let it sit for about maybe 5 to 10 minutes, okay? So I'm switching my water to hot, yeah. Oh, I forgot to tell you too. So if you want to wash this, also you can also put soap in it and put in the pot and just pour a lot of water to cover it up and let it sit for some time too. So I'm still applying the same process on this. I'm just putting soap on everything here. Okay. So now I have the sifter in the deep fryer. This is the sifter and this is the deep fryer. So I'm just gonna put some hot water, okay? I'm gonna make sure my water is hot. Okay, now the water is hot. I'm just gonna put the hot water in here. Yeah. I see most of the time putting water so for the water to boil really good before they put the water in here. As for me, my water is already hot. The water I'm putting in here is already hot, so I don't need to do anything like boiling water, okay? So this is the water. I have a lot of water in here, yeah. Guys, did you see this? I hope you guys gonna see this. You guys gonna like it, okay? So I have a lot of water in here. I'm just gonna put it back in the sink. And so this is the top for the deep fryer right here. This is the top for the deep fryer. I'm just gonna be covering this deep fryer up. And I'm gonna wait about maybe 10 to 15 minutes. After that, I'm gonna come and scrub this for you guys to see, okay? Guys, I can't wait to share the result of you guys. It's gonna be mind-blowing. The result gonna be amazing, y'all. I can't wait to share this amazing result of you guys, okay? Stay tuned. So guys, I thought I unpaused the video, but sorry guys, I didn't realize it was still paused. But I'm watching it. This is the sifter right here. This is the top, and I'm washing this part right here, but it's in the sink, so you guys might not see it. Yeah, I'm washing this. Oh my god, this is very easy. And when you want to get all the dirt from out of your deep fryer or air fryer, wherever it is, just put warm or hot water in it. Yeah, it's gonna be really nice and easy. Yeah, so that's it, y'all. Okay, guys, the water is hot. Okay, so let me wash the back. Oh my goodness, this is a magic, y'all. Yeah, it's a magic. Yeah. Yeah. So we're just washing our deep fryer nice there. Okay. So if you want to see in it, it's black though. So, but this is the inside part of the deep fryer right here. Yeah. So let me rinse this and share the result with you guys, okay? Let me rinse this and share the result with you guys. So guys, I finally washed my deep fryer. So this is how it looks like. This is the top right here. Yeah, this is the top. It is very, very clean, nice and clean. I'm just gonna put it down so that it, you know, water dry off here. And this is the sifter right here, guys. Let me know in the comment section below.
To wash the air fryer right
go for me. So guys, just let me know in the comment section below what you think of this deep fryer. It is very, very super and clean, and this is the best and easiest way, yeah, I can recommend anybody to, you know, wash that deep fryer, okay? So guys, this is the inside part of the deep fryer. Can you see this, y'all? Guys, even though it's black, but I believe you can see in this deep fryer there's no dirt in it, okay? Yeah, it is super, super clean, no dirt in it. Yeah. So this is it. This is how I clean my deep fryer from start to end. So I'm just gonna, you know, let it dry, and you know, I'm just gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna make part. This video gonna have part 3. I have part 1, part 2, part 3, and the part 3 is again, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to set this deep fryer up. A lot of you guys still struggle about setting this deep fryer up, okay? So in part 3 of the video, I'm gonna show you guys how to set this deep fryer up from start to end. It's not gonna be long, okay? It's not gonna be long, okay? So this is part 1. I mean, this is part 2, and I already made part 1. So once again, my name is Rosemarie. I'm from West Africa, Liberia, but I'm based in the US. To be precise, I'm streaming live from, I'm not streaming live yet. To be precise, I'm recording from Ohio. Yeah, I'm a mother of 2. Yeah, and I got a full-time job, and my reason of joining YouTube is to make YouTube as a side hustle. Yeah, so guys, please support me by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my YouTube channel, okay? On my channel, I do just a little bit of everything. Yes, I do just a little bit of everything on my channel. So this is it right here. So this is it right here, okay? Yeah, so this is how I clean my deep fryer, guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, so that's it. So yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna dry. I'm gonna let it dry naturally. I'm not using anything to dry this. I'm gonna let it dry by itself. Yeah, so thanks to all of you guys so much for your support, and thanks for always coming back to watch. Please support me by subscribing, okay? I love you all so much. I love my I know my audience love for me to give them 360 for the camera, right?
You watch a video?
I'm almost done.
Why?
Almost done, baby girl. I'm almost done. I'm almost done. So guys, thank you so much, okay? So this is the deep fryer right here. And if you want to know which type of deep fryer is this is Mainstays 4-liter deep fryer. This is Mainstays 4-liter deep fryer. Yeah. That's it right here, y'all. And I still have my box, y'all. I still have my box. Yep. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Okay? Bye. I love you so much. Baby girl, what you doing?
Spinning around.
You having fun, right? Bye guys. Love you.
Mommy.